100 now, only one hand. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's videos, we're going to install this kind of steering damper to my scooter. But first, we need to go to Chinese shop to buy something, bolts and angle bar. So let's go guys. First, we need to buy the angle bar. Let's go. So hello guys, we are here now in the Chinese shop. So we need to buy the bolts. The bolt is here, so I need to buy the balls. So I need this one, and then the small one, this one, and then we need to buy this one. Okay, finish. Let's go. So hello guys, so we are here now. So this is the bolts and also the angle bar when I buy to the Chinese shop. So the angle bar, as you can see, so let's open. So if you can see, the angle bar is the hole is too much small, so that's why we need to drill, because the bolt here is too much big, so we cannot put the bolts here. So let's do it to drill the angle bar. That is it guys, so I already drilled the angle bar. As you can see, the hole is big now, and then the other one is already finished. So the problem is I don't like the color of this, so that's why I buy spray to put a black color. So let's go and let's paint this kind of angle bar. So this is it guys, so I already paint the angle bar. So now we need to put it here, and then the another one is here. So we install it now. So first we need to put this. So let's open. First, you need to take out this kind of box. So we already fixed out guys the bolts here, and now we need to fix the another angle bar from here. So after we fix this, the other one, so we need to put the also the another one here. So we need to put the another box. And another one, so we need to lock it. So after this, so it's already locked now. So as you can see, alright. So and then we need to align. So we need to align the, and then you see, so clip, and then another one. So this is it, guys. So I already fixed it now here. So now we need to drill here again in my board, because sometimes this kind of steering damper is we need to put here in the body of your scooter, but I cannot put here because I have extra battery and then it's too much big. So my opinion is I will to put here in my board. So we need to drill in the board here. So make sure that is alignment your steering damper. Alright. So it's already aligned. So let's go, and we need to drill the hole. So let's try the board. It is exactly now. Need more drill. Okay, so now it's exactly now the board. So this is it, guys. We're already finished now. Alright, guys, we are already finished now. I steer the steering damper, so as you can see. So that's all, guys. So let's go outside and let's try it now